Myra, Basam, and one more. Sorry. What is your name? Ay, Alan. Yeah, Alan is here. Alan Di Joseph. So we're a big family now. So my name is Rosel. I'm your PO, your mama, huh? Rosel. Okay. So we nominated an officer for your class for the newcomer. We have Analu, our president. Sige, show your face to this new. Yeah.
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome again. So nice meeting you all. So we hope we could bond together and build up more relationship well and know each other and help in each other. Thank you. Welcome.
Yeah, and our vice president is Eileen.
Still not here.
Yeah, she will be coming. Then our secretary, Regalyn.
Hi.
Pero just call me Dang,
Dang.
34 years old. Ayun, masaya ang service. Enjoy nyo lang. Yun lang.
Okay, and